Jin's right leg not only has been unsealed, but has also obtained unimaginable power. Enough power to make content creators to rage on streams at every chance they get, to demand nerfs on Jin before the final version of the game becomes available. Standing 4, it's back. The beautiful crumple stun animation, once lost, has been unlocked, and in a game where most of Magic 4s are committal or grants a knockdown, allows the edgelord to activate Heat with a guaranteed 13 frames, follow-up in 1+2. Forward 4, it's also back as Jin has easier ways to pick up the long pushback by just running into back 3, land an ECD1, or do the traditional crouch dash into while standing 4. They also reduced the pushback window slightly. Jin's Snake Edge, which was once Zen 4, now it's made from a full crouch position without the use of a stance by pressing down forward 4, making it easier to access and to set it up in space control situations while he is crouching. In the place of the Zen 4, Jin now has a dive kick, which from CBT it was Plart 4 on block, and a lot more on Oki. Forward 4, it's now a torso twisting, 17 frames blade kick that will help confuse defenders during a wave dash, making his 50-50 with LLRK much better, while also having excellent range. His down back 4, it's still +3 on hit, but much more on counter hit while it doesn't guarantee a knockdown anymore, which allows him to try anything. But wait, there is more. Namco took the term right leg of the Forbbiden One to the letter and transformed Jin in a Tekken version of Exodia. In his right arm, he has a phantom range in Demon's Paw, transforming it into the Spear of Justice. He also has a down 2, which is called Scourge, and can erase every complaint from existence, and fourth wall break into the main man's house to give him nightmare about Kazuya's nerfs. In his left arm, he has an ECD1 that hits grounded. The combination of both arms gives him the power of 1+2, the 13 frames heat engager with amazing reach. Oh yeah, Jin got remodeled in this game, so he has far better reach in his arms than he ever did in previous Tekkens. He can also move sideways much better. To make sure your opponent respects your 2-1 pressure, the last hit of 2-1-4 was given a nuke. That activates in case anyone dares to challenge Jin, giving a guaranteed ECD1. However, the opponent can sidestep the kick or backdash it. The problem is, the tunnel vision is so big that no one had the chance to practice against it yet. To punish lows with far more damage and better frames, Jin's while standing 4 now has an additional hit, giving Jin's tsunami kicks. The damage was very significant in CBT, which makes up for recoverable health when moves connect as a juggle. The left leg has its own I-14 thrust kick, which is very fast, has extensions, and poses a true threat against players that likes to duck, as Jin has an hit confirmable heat engager from this kick into a left arm punch, and while in heat, he gains a heat dash 14 frame launcher from it that it's safe with heat dash. Jin's Zen and CDS, when crouch dashing from it, he has a new type of dash called Breaking Step. Different from the previous version, this gives him instant electrics without the need to input the commands. He also has access to it from certain moves. We will cover more Jin, Reina, and Victor when the game releases. So if you enjoy this video, give your like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite Jin change in Tekken 8?